point is up and good.
Got a big lick for your trouble, didn't you know? No?
Well,
You're not going to get these controls. I know that's what you want. You may run away with the magazine, but you weren't after the magazine.
They mixed it up well, but when they went to Ingram and Richard, that's their money guys.
Back here up with these controls.
The new spicy chicken sandwich. Now at Chick-fil-A.
Kind of like this. The only reason you got me was for football. But for today's game, I'm a little...
Run around and around and around.
You trying to fix me. You just made me lose.